Lattice method of multiplication. Multiply the following numbers: 634 multiplied by 25. Here 634 is multiplicand and 25 is multiplier. Now we are going to count the number of digits in multiplicand and multiplier. So 1, 2, 3 digit. So we have 3 digits in the multiplicand and 1, 2 digits in the multiplier. So the first two steps are, the first step is draw as many columns as the number of digits in the multiplicand, and the second step is draw as many rows as the number of digits in the multiplier. So totally 3 columns and 2 rows we are going to draw. So 1, 2, 3 columns, then 1, 2 rows. So number of rows 2 rows, number of columns 3. Next step is to draw a diagonal for each square. So draw diagonals for each square. Next step is to arrange the digits of the multiplicand and multiplier outside the boxes. So the multiplicand is 634 and the multiplier is 25. You should arrange the multiplicand on the column side, along the column side, and rows for the multiplier, but make sure it should be arranged outside the boxes as shown in the lattice. So before to start multiplying, you should know how to arrange the ones digit and tens digit. Write the ones digit on the bottom half of the square. So if I take this square, the bottom half is here, and if there is a tens place digit, write it on the upper half of the square. This is the bottom half of the square, this is the upper half of the square. So ones digit on the bottom half and tens place digit in the upper half. Now let's start multiplying the digits of the multiplicand and multiplier one by one and write their products on each half of the square meant for it. 4 into 2 is 8, so it should be in the bottom half. We don't have tens place digit, so we are writing 0 over here. Next 3 into 2 is 6, tens place digit 0. 6 into 2 is 12. Here we have 2 ones and 1 10. So we are writing 2 over here in the bottom half and tens place digit in the upper half. 4 into 5 is 20. So 0 over here and 2 over here. Then 5 3s are 3 into 5 is 15. So 5 over here, 1 over here. Then 6 into 5 is 30. So 0 and 3. So next step is add all the numbers diagonally. So add the carry over if any to the sum of next diagonal. Here you should write only 0 because 0 is over here. So we are adding diagonally. So 5 plus 2 plus 8. So while adding the diagonals, you must notice that when adding the numbers in the lattice along the diagonals, start from the lower right corner. So when you add these three numbers, 5 plus 2 plus 8, you will get 15. So in 15, you should write 5 over here. This carry 1, the next place. So we have mentioned earlier to add the carry over if any to the next diagonal. So next diagonal is here. So 1 carry over. So 1 plus 6, 7, 7 plus 1, 8. So 8. So next diagonal is here. 3 plus 2, 5, 5 plus 0, 5. So write 5 over here. Next only 1 is there, so write 1. So we have done with the multiplication part. So in order to find the answer, read the digits starting down the left of the grid. This is the left of the grid and continue across the bottom. So answer is 1, 5, 8, 5, 0. So the answer is 1, 5, 8, 5, 0. So 15,850. Thank you so much for watching this video.